Save yourself from screen sharing embarrassment with these Zoom tips. Welcome to this quick guide on using Zoom screen sharing tools effectively for remote collaboration. I'm here to help you share your screen during meetings and presentations where you'd rather not have everyone know your personal information. Preparation is key. Before your meeting, set up your screen sharing environment. Close any unnecessary applications and turn off notifications. This ensures a clean and professional display and prevents yourself from sharing anything that might be a little embarrassing. Now let's start sharing our screen. In Zoom, click the Share Screen button at the bottom of your meeting window. There, you'll see a list of all open windows and applications. Be careful to select the one you actually want to share and hit Share. You can also choose to share your entire desktop for more flexibility. Remember, if you have those baby pictures that your grandmother sent you still open, everyone will see those too. To make your presentations more engaging, use Zoom's annotation tools. While sharing your screen, click Annotate on the toolbar. You can draw, highlight, and add text to emphasize key points. These tools are great for interactive sessions and keep your audience engaged. To allow others to share their screen, click the upward arrow next to Share Screen and select Advanced Sharing Options. Here, you can choose whether only the host or all participants can share their screens. This gives you control over the flow of the meeting. Sometimes your perfectly planned meeting or presentation doesn't go as you hoped. Don't panic. If your screen freezes or audio cuts out, try stopping and restarting the share, or switch to a different network. Keep calm and troubleshoot step by step. You can also take steps to help shield yourself from most complications. For a smooth screen sharing experience, ensure a stable internet connection and close background processes. This helps reduce lag and keeps your presentation running smoothly. If you want to give the best presentation possible, keep these tips in mind as you prepare. Make sure your presentation is engaging, be mindful of privacy by not sharing sensitive information, and communicate clearly. A little preparation goes a long way in making your screen sharing sessions successful. Any meeting or presentation has the potential to fall off the tracks, and those complications seem to double when it's remote. Remember, preparation and practice are key. By following these tips, you'll be a Zoom screen sharing pro in no time. Whether you're hosting a virtual meeting, giving a presentation, or collaborating with your team, effective screen sharing can make a world of difference. Don't forget to set up your environment beforehand, make use of the various features available to enhance your presentation, and manage those permissions properly. Thanks for watching. I'm David with SkillSprints.